Hello students, today we are going to do chapter number 3 of class 1 EVS. The name of the chapter is Healthy and Clean. In this chapter, we will learn about keeping our body clean and keeping our body healthy. Before we start the chapter, let's do some quick revision of previous chapter, that is my body. As we know that our body is made up of different parts and each part has its own function. Okay? All body parts should be kept clean and healthy to work properly. So, keeping our body clean and healthy is necessary for everyone because it keeps us away from diseases. Students, I read the chapter paragraph wise, then I will explain it to you side by side. Okay, now let's start the chapter. We know that our body is made up of different parts. All body parts should be kept clean to stay healthy. Next, keeping our body clean. We should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. We should take bath every day to keep our body clean. We should also comb our hair. We should wear clean clothes and give dirty clothes for washing. We should clip our nails and keep them short and clean. When we eat with dirty nails, germs go inside our body. We should change our clothes before going to bed. We should always go to bed in clean clothes. So, according to this paragraph, what we have learned that how should we keep our body clean? So, students, we can keep our body clean in many ways. First, we should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Okay? Second is, we should always take a bath every day to keep our body clean. Third is, we should wear clean clothes and we have to give dirty clothes for washing to our mother. Okay? Fourth is, we should comb our hair every day so that we can look smart. Fifth is, we should clip or trim our nails and keep them short and clean because when we eat food, germs enters inside our body. When the germs gets inside our body, it makes us sick and we will suffer from different diseases. Okay, and the last one is we should always change our clothes before going to bed. Okay, now move on to next paragraph, that is keeping our body healthy. Staying healthy means doing things that are good for our body. We should follow some good habits to be healthy and strong. First, we should wash our hands before and after eating food and every time we use the bathroom. We should eat healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and helps us grow. We should also eat food on time. We should drink plenty of water every day. Staying healthy is not just about eating the right food. It is about exercising too. Exercising keeps our body fit. Our body needs rest too. We should go to bed and wake up on time. We should sleep for 8 hours every day. So according to the paragraph, we learned that how should we keep our body healthy. Okay, so to keep our body healthy, we should follow some good habits. So students, staying healthy is not just about eating the right food. It is about exercising too, which is good for our body. Okay, so we should keep our body healthy in many ways. Like we should wash our hands before and after eating food. Use soap to wash our hands. Second, we should eat healthy foods because healthy foods gives us energy to do work and helps us to grow. Third is we should drink plenty of water every day. Fourth is we should do exercise every day to keep our body fit. And last one is we should sleep for 8 hours every night because our body also needs rest too. Now we have come to an end of this chapter. Now let's go through the exercise portion of this chapter. Okay. So now let's start with exercise A, that is match the following. Okay, so here in the first line the things are given, whereas in the second line they are using the things to keep themselves clean. Okay, so now let's see how to match the things with them. Okay, so in number 1 it is a nail trimmer. Okay, nail trimmer is used to trim our nails. So who is using the nail trimmer? Yes, a boy. So match the nail trimmer with a boy. So similarly, what do you have to do? You have to do the rest portion by yourself. Okay, now move on to next. That is fill in the blanks with the correct answers. So here, what you have to do is that you have to choose the correct answers from the words given below. So now let's see in question number 1. We should brush our teeth dash a day. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, it is a twice. So that means we should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, similarly you have to do the rest portion by yourself. Now move on to next, that is draw a smiley face for the correct sentences and a sad face for the incorrect ones. So what you have to do is, if the sentences are true or correct, then you have to draw or you have to make a smiley face in the given circle. Okay? Here you have to make a smiley face or a sad face over here. Okay, if the sentences are incorrect, then what you have to do? You have to draw or you have to make sad face in the given circle. Now move on to next, that is answer these questions. So here all the questions you have to solve it by yourself and you have to write it in your exercise copy, but write it in interleaf copy. Okay, which I have shown you in the previous video, and use pencils while you are writing in your exercise copy. Thank you.